So I have just built an agent that will summarize the uploaded file, and then it will send the email for summary or for a user that upload the file, and it will save the summary and the user email for our in our database for record. So here it will save. So let's I show you a quick demo. So I will write my email, and then I will choose my file. So I have choose and I will click on submit. So it will extract the text from file, and then it will send to AI agent, and that will summarize the document, and then it will send to the user, and also it will uh, save the email user email and the summary to our database called in Google Sheets. Now let's see uh, our Gmail. We can also convert this to an AI file summary app, SaaS app. So now you can see here it send us the file. Now we have to build this. So here I am creating a workflow. So you have to give the name. So I will file to summary agent, and I will trigger on form. We will go for SaaS. We will build a small SaaS app later, and then we will remove form, and we will set webhook. So I will explain later what is webhook and how we can use. So first I will give the title, file to summary, and now I need first email, it will be required, and second will be file. So element type will be file. So it can that it will has ability to upload the file. I will click on save, and I will execute. I will give my email, and I will choose file. So I will click on submit. So now first step has been um, finished. So we have to now, you can see here we receive a file, and file PDF file and email. So first we have to, because AI agent has no right now has no ability to retrieve the information from file. So we have to convert this file to text, means we have to fetch all the details that have this file. So we use extract from file, because we want to extract the data from file. So I search extract from file. Now you can see there is a option, various option, where you want to retrieve the information. So I here you can see JSON, or we now we have to fetch the extract the details from PDF. So I will set, and now input binary field. So what is the file name that we are putting? So here this is not the file. So I will, this is not, this file is not named file data. So I will change it from data to file, and now I will execute. So it will retrieve all the text, all the details of this file. Now we have successfully um, finished our second app, and now we have to summarize the file. So I will use AI agent node and define below. I will drag the text. I will get file text, and now I also require a specific output. Here is my system prompt, so I will on this, and I will add chat model. If you don't know how to connect OpenAI, to please go back my past videos. I have explained how you can uh, attach your OpenAI account to n10. So now here we want to explain all the things. So here is my prompt. So you can all go ChatGPT and can say write a prompt for me. So I am building this agent. So I explain you what is this. Now I first I set the role, and then I will set the goal. So here I explain, and I copy this because we want structured output, and I have on the specific output format option. So structured output parser, and I will define it how we want to how we want summary. So now we have added, and I will execute. So now it has generated the summary, and we have to send the email summary to user. We use Gmail. I am using Gmail. You can use another way, and I will now we have to need email. That's why I receive and I fetch a user email in the beginning. So and now a subject will be your summary. You can select another, and I will drag this. Thanks. And you can set according your needs. I don't do this now, and I will off append attribution, and we execute this. So it has sent the Gmail to user. Let's check it. Now we have received our Gmail, and now it receive a user. So now we have to store our data, all the information, like who came, and what AI agent does. So we want to save all the details. So I use Google Sheets. You can use other tools, other. So I have connected. Also I have told how you can connect your uh, Google Sheets account, and I will sheet. If you don't have to click on plus icon and sign in with Google, and you can your account will be your account will attach. So now I will here I have made a file. Here I only read email and summary, because I only want email and summary, user email and agent summary, and I will drag to this, and I will execute this. So now it has saved the data to our Google database. Now you can see. So we have created one more agent file to summary, and today we explore extract from file node. So That's it for today. We will build more. We In future we will be building more complex agents and automation and AI system. It's just a beginning. So thank you.